Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Best Printers. Today I'm going to be talking about the HP 950-951 XL ink. I've recently launched this ink product on Amazon.com, and it's right now it is going for under $18. This printer ink is usually between $30, $40, could go up to even $50. Of course, this is remanufactured ink. It's going to be just as good as the HP ink. I have used this remanufactured ink myself. I completely back this product. This is going to be some of the cheapest 950-951 XL ink on the market currently. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to see if it is compatible with your printer. Just off the top of my head, it is compatible with the HP OfficeJet Pro 8610, 8600, 8620, and 8630, HP OfficeJet 251 DW, and the 276 DW. So those are just a few. If you wanted to read up on some other printers that this ink is compatible with, click on that link in the description below. Again, I'm leaving that information down there for you. So make sure to visit my website, bestprinterstech.com. I'm constantly looking to save the consumer money by providing the lowest prices on my website. You got the product right here. This is what you will receive in the mail. If you wanted to get this quickly, I'm gonna leave a link also to Amazon Prime, because I do sell this on Amazon.com. That is gonna allow you to get the ink much faster, even within 1 day. So free 30-day trial for Amazon Prime. Again, link in the description below. I hope that this video was helpful. I know that it was short, but please make sure to like this video. And if you have any questions at all about my product, go ahead and comment below as well. But that's really all I have for now. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.